Alright guys, how's it going? So I've made another add-on, and like all the add-ons that I'm going to make, it's very basic. But hopefully it can help you out a little bit. So to cut a long story short, it essentially lets you cycle through selection modes. Now the reason this add-on was written is because I missed the functionality from another 3D application, and I'll show you that in a couple of settings. You can install the add-on just like any other add-on via the preferences, and you can even use the zip file this time. One thing that I have done is I've automatically assigned it to the shortcut number 4. Now this might conflict with your setup, so there's several ways you can correct this. The quickest way is probably just to edit the file, and you'll see here key map toggle mode, and you can see that it's number 4. Or you can come up to edit, preferences, you can look for key map, and if you search for toggle mode, you'll see it here, and you can quickly change it. But I like it as number 4 because I can do 1 for points, 2 for edges, 3 for faces, and number 4 will toggle these. So when I press number 4, take a look up the top left here. You'll see it cycling through these modes. So it'll go points, edges, faces, and then it'll do all 3, and that means we can easily select different things. Now the reason this was actually made is because when I use Lightwave, we use spacebar to actually cycle through modes. So you can see down here it'll go through point, edges and polygons. And that's why the add-on was made. So I've put this available on free on Gumroad. It's up to yourself if you download it or not. Do me a favour guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, you know what to do. Peace.